Technology promises solutions. It offers efficiency, automation, and data-driven insights. Leaders are drawn to these promises, seeking a competitive edge. But let's be clear, technology is not a magic bullet. One common myth is that technology can replace human leadership. This is simply not true. Technology cannot replicate empathy, judgment, or inspiration. These are uniquely human qualities. Leaders who rely solely on technology risk losing touch with their teams. Another misconception is that more technology always equals better leadership. This is also false. Too much technology can be overwhelming. It can lead to information overload and decision paralysis. Leaders need to be selective about the technology they use. They must choose tools that support their goals and values. Technology cannot fix underlying problems with culture, communication, or strategy. Leaders must address these fundamental challenges first. Picture this: a frustrated executive surrounded by screens and devices, overwhelmed by data. Let's look at some real-world examples. In some cases, technology has fallen short of its promise in leadership. We've seen companies implement complex project management software with the goal of improving collaboration and efficiency. Instead, it created confusion and bureaucracy. Teams felt micromanaged and lost sight of the bigger picture. Imagine a company rolling out a new communication platform, but they don't provide adequate training or support. The technology investment becomes a wasted opportunity. However, there are also inspiring examples of technology empowering effective leadership. Think of a CEO using video conferencing to connect with employees worldwide. They share the company vision and answer questions directly. This fosters transparency and builds trust. Or consider a team using collaboration tools to work on a complex project remotely. They share ideas, track progress, and provide feedback in real time. Technology, used effectively, enhances communication and teamwork. Section 3. The human element, why it still matters. These examples highlight a crucial point. Technology is only as effective as the people using it. The human element remains essential for leadership success. Leaders must lead with empathy, even when using technology. They need to understand how technology impacts their team. They must mitigate any negative consequences. Furthermore, leaders must prioritize clear communication. This is more important than ever in our digital age. They need to be present and accessible. They should use technology to facilitate dialogue, not to hide behind it. Decision making is another critical aspect of leadership. While technology provides data and insights, it's up to leaders to interpret this information. They must consider the ethical implications of their decisions. Leaders need to be adaptable and embrace lifelong learning. They must stay curious about new technologies and their potential impact. Imagine a leader actively engaging with their team, utilizing technology to facilitate communication and collaboration. Section 4. Practical applications. Tech for effective leadership. How can leaders integrate technology realistically and effectively? Start by identifying the specific challenges you face. Focus on tools that address your team's needs and prioritize user friendliness. The technology should be intuitive and easy to use. Provide adequate training and support to ensure everyone feels comfortable using the tools. Encourage feedback. Ask your team for their input on the technology being used. Is it helping or hindering their work? Be open to making adjustments based on their feedback. Use technology to enhance, not replace, human interaction. Schedule regular face-to-face meetings, even with remote teams. Continue to focus on the fundamentals. building relationships, communicating effectively, and inspiring your team. Picture a simple diagram showcasing different technologies that can be integrated into leadership, such as project management tools, communication platforms, and data analytics software. Section 5. Finding the balance: tech as a tool, not a crutch. In conclusion, technology has the potential to revolutionize leadership. It can empower leaders to connect, collaborate, and make data-driven decisions. However, technology is not a panacea. Leaders must resist the allure of quick fixes and embrace technology thoughtfully. They need to focus on the human element. By finding the right balance, leaders can leverage technology as a powerful tool. Imagine a balanced scale with technology on one side and human leadership on the other, emphasizing the importance of equilibrium.